Everybody, Travis with Food Forest Design Solutions coming into from Minnetrista, and just finished up with the herb spiral behind the house, and I'm going to turn you around and show you what we got, and then you can go to my website and see the step-by-step on how this was put together. But here, I'm just going to turn you around and show you. Okay. You can take them. Here's the herb spiral. And so here we go. We got on the bottom layer, we have a bunch of sticks, twigs, branches up to about 2 to 3 inches in diameter, all broken up, and probably have about 4 inches, 5 inches of sticks and twigs and stuff and branches. And then I threw in a couple wheelbarrow loads of mulch, along with 3 wheelbarrows full of leaves, and I have the extra large wheelbarrow, so there's quite a bit. So we're talking about a foot of organic material in the bottom, and then it's filled with soil up to about 6 inches below this mulch, and then there's about 4 or 5 inches of mulch on top. And next spring we're going to plant this out with herbs. And if you know how herb spirals work, we got the sun-loving herbs on top they like well-draining soil. So they go on top, and then as we go around and go down the slope, we're going to get the other ones that they like more moisture, more water, and more shade. And as you can see, the reason the opening of the herb spiral is here is because that is facing north. That is exactly north, and that's where you want the opening to be, because as the sun goes from east to west, you're going to get your sunlight over the top of this herb spiral, and then you're going to have your shadows, obviously. So that's exactly why it's set up this way. So everything gets the perfect amount of sunlight, the perfect amount of water, and everything's happy. But that's an herb spiral, my folks. This one's made out of blocks. I made them out of small bricks. You can make them out of boulders. Just about anything. But this is another one finished. And that's another Food Forest Design production. Anyway, I'm done here until springtime. And like I said, before, we had the 8 fruit tree guilds we planted out with berry bushes and quite a bit. And then we're going to be back here in the springtime to put in some raised garden beds, some in-ground garden beds, and then we're going to plant out this herb spiral. And I don't know what else we'll be adding in the spring. But anyway, that's it for me. Grow food, not lawns. And if you want to transform your yard into a beautiful, edible, regenerative landscape, contact me, Travis, at foodforestabundance.com. Visit my website, foodforestdesign.solutions. Hit my contact form, and let's set up a consultation, and let's get you the Garden of Eden in your backyard. Have an amazing day, my friends. See ya.